Did you know that your body runs on electricity? And salt, yes, salt is the key to making it work. Most people are using the wrong kind of salt, and I want to talk about that today. And I want to apologize in advance because this video will be a little bit longer maybe than you're used to hearing me talk about. This topic is so important, and I don't see anyone on this platform talking about it at this level of detail. You got to know. So, your body is an electrical machine, for lack of better words. Every thought, every heartbeat, every muscle movement, every triggering of hormones happens because of a tiny electrical signal, zeros and ones. And salt, specifically sodium, is what makes these signals possible. Some of you may know older car batteries, especially the lead acid batteries, not the batteries in electric cars. Regular batteries, they use a salt-based electrolyte solution, typically sulfuric acid, which functions similarly like salt solution. They use this to store and transfer electrical energy. Just like a battery needs electrolytes to generate and transmit electricity to the engine to start it, your body needs sodium to do something very, very similar, almost identical, just at a smaller level. So when you consume sodium, it dissolves into ions that carry electrical charges, allowing your nerves to fire and your muscles to contract, your brain to transmit signals to release hormones from certain organs. It works with the potassium in the sodium-potassium pump. This helps keep your cells hydrated, powers your metabolism, helps keeping your brain functioning at optimal levels. Inside of every one of your cells, there is a tiny molecular machine. I'll call it a machine. It's called the sodium-potassium pump. And its job in each cell is to maintain the right balance of sodium and potassium inside the wall of the cell and outside the wall of the cell. Let me explain how it works. So your cells are constantly pumping 3 sodium ions out while pulling in 2 potassium ions in. This creates a charge difference between the inside and the outside of the cell, like a car battery that holds electrical potential. Here's the science. Look it up. So, celery, regular old celery, is $1.49 a pack. Celery provides a bioavailable form of sodium that supports this pump without the harmful effects of processed salt. So when you pair this sodium in the celery with potassium-rich foods like avocados, bananas, leafy greens, this helps to keep your cells charged, nerves firing, muscles strong, the brain functioning properly. The bottom line is the sodium-potassium pump is your body's electrical engine and battery. But not all salt is created equal. Right? Processed salt typically is stripped of certain minerals. It can actually dehydrate you, Instead, you need organic, bioavailable sodium, and celery is the best source in the world. Celery provides natural sodium in a form that your body can actually use. It hydrates the cells, supports digestion, it balances your pH, it boosts your adrenal health, helping you to manage stress and maintain energy levels. Sometimes you're just out of energy. You got no electricity flowing through your body, right? Yeah, you can add pink Himalayan salt or Celtic sea salt. I say Celtic sea salt to your diet, but eat plenty of celery. Chop it up. Eat a whole stalk. Remember, your body always wants to consume the elements it needs from whole foods, which is typically more complete and easier to absorb. All right, so please have a stalk or two of celery every day so that you can help your body to create electricity it needs to support testosterone levels, to support the proper healing hormones to help inflammation for your prostate and everything else. Let's get healthy, please.